MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4 is now available on iOS. You can go install yours and download it immediately. If you want to fund your account, all you need to just go to your binary.com, or you can also access your deriv.com. Just use your payment agents to transfer funds to your wallet, and from your wallet you can also deposit or transfer to your MT5 balance. That's where you can have money to trade on your MetaTrader 5. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to link your Deriv platform account to your MetaTrader 5 platform. So stay tuned on this video and see you guys on the video.
Yo, hello, what's up guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel, IP Boys. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to link your Deriv.com or your binary.com app to your MetaTrader 5 platform to trade volatility index. So in this video, let's get to it. So first thing you need to know, you need to first log in on your site. So for this video, I'm going to log in with a new email account that I created for this. I'm not going to use my main email because I have account already created. So if you have account already created, you cannot create two accounts at the same time. So I'm going to use a new email address for this video. So let's get to it. So this is the main email. This is my main email. I'm not going to use this email, rather I'm going to use this one. So all you just need to do is to just, once you have created an account on your binary.com or deriv.com, all you need to just type in the email address and put on your password and click log in. So wait for it to log in. So once you log in, you popped out in this background. So all you need to do is to just, once you have your account based out, all you need to do is to just fund the account. If you have a $0 on the account, fund the account, and then once you have funded the account, you click here, and once you click here, you click on MetaTrader. So wait for it to upload. You click on MetaTrader. So you'll be directed to this side once you have clicked on your MetaTrader. So on this video, since we are using Deriv to do this, I'm going to go to my Deriv app, because they say go to Deriv app to add MT5 account. You will be able to log in to Deriv using your binary credentials. So what this means is that you'll be able to log in your binary credentials or your binary logins to your Deriv and platform at the same time. So we'll go to Deriv. It will transport us to deriv.com. So wait for it to load. So once it's load and it popped out on this interface, you will see login and sign up. So if you haven't signed up, you can also sign up with Deriv right now and log in immediately. So since I have signed up in binary.com, I will be doing my login. So once you log in, you'll be using the same email. I'm not be using this DrewDaniel450@gmail.com. I will be using this email, jonesevelyn450@gmail.com. So what I need to do is to just type it. I'll put in my code and also log in. All right. So once we are logged in on this platform, all you need to know that we are creating a real account and not a demo account. So all we need to do is to just add a Deriv account. So the one we are using for this demonstration is this one. We are using this one for our demonstration, the first one, not the second one. So you need to click on add real account. So once you popped out on this interface, we are going to use this one. This one is the one we are not going to use the second one, because the second one requires your proof of ID and address. So we don't want to add our proof of ID and other things. So we're going to use this first one. So once you click the first one, you click on next. So once you have clicked on next, you know your password and everything. So I'm going to put on my password and click on add account. So I will do that right now. I will type it and log in. So once you do that, you click on add account. We have to add our account on Deriv.com. That means that we have created an MT5 account. So once you created your MT5 account, you'll be directed to this side. So all you need, you can see that we now have a Deriv MT5 account. So what are you going to do is that you are going to click on trade. So once you click on trade, you'll be seeing your details login. So you can see the first one is your broker, which is your Deriv Limited, and the other one which is your server, and the other one is your login ID, which is your login ID, and the fourth one is your password. So what are we going to do is that we are going to log in. I'm going to copy this. So once you copy this, we'll be logging in on our MT5 account. So once you do that, you just do copy. So once you have copied, we are going to open. If you are using a system for this, neither you click here to open your MetaTrader 5 web, or you are using Windows app, you can also download it, or iOS MacBook, you can see everything is here, or Linux app. So all you need to do, if you are using your phone, just minimize. Once you minimize, you go to your MT5 account. So once you go to your MT5 account, if you have already broker that you are trading that, or a challenge you are trading that, you can just remove that from your platform. You can see this is my Forex fund accounts, which I have already passed. So I'm waiting for them to give me a live funded account login, so for me to start trading with a new live funded $10,000 hedge fund account. So for this, I'm going to search my broker, which is Deriv.com. So once you search Deriv.com, you'll be seeing it at the first one. So all you need to do is to just click. So once you click, you make sure that you are not creating your server have to be on real account. So we are creating a Deriv server real account. So once you do that, you paste your login ID. So once you paste your login ID, then you have to put your password. So I have to put the password. So once you put the password, you just click sign in and wait for the account to load. You can see that we are now signed in on MT5 account very easily. So this step, if you don't understand this video, all you need to just go back and rewatch the video. So once you sign up on a real account, all you need to see is to click on the left icon here. So once you click on left icon here, what you see that you can quickly deposit your balance, your amount which you want to trade with, or you deposit or you withdraw the amount which you have already met with. So once you click here, what you are going to see that you are going to be directed to your Deriv platform for you to fund. So we have many types of funding. If you want to fund your account, you can fund with payment agent, you can fund with online apps, and you can also fund with your bank. For fund here in Nigeria, I don't think we can fund with our local bank. We only use payment agent here in our country. So if you are in other countries, you don't use your bank account, I recommend you using your nearest payment agent, which is reliable and trusted. Just make sure that you are running a business with a reliable payment agent. So I'm done with this video. I will show you how you can also relate with how you can also transfer fund on your payment agent on the next video that I'm about to play. So peace up and see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content, and peace up.